Good morning, YouTubers. Well, afternoon, I guess. It's about 10 right now, I guess. But anyways, this is me, Brandon, and I'm here just warming up my G23 Integra. Wanted to let you all see and listen to it run. Sounds great. No oil leaks, no water issues, except for my overflow. My overflow leaks out the bottom, so whenever it pumps the water into it, it doesn't pull it back because there's none in it because it leaks out the bottom. Something I gotta fix. It's just, you know, it's not the engine, it's the overflow. But other than that, it's running beautifully. Everything, timing's all on. Belt, yeah, I mean, I probably should get one of them belt tensioner things, you know, to stop it from flopping right here a little bit. But other than that, it's just super tight. And I wouldn't mind getting a walk locker on it for the future, maybe the next build. Kind of hard to see down in there, but anyways, it's down there. The tensioner. So anyways, yeah, she's running great. Has been since let's say about November. It's been running since November. It's almost March now, so great engine. I haven't blown this one up yet, even though I've blown up many of them in the past. So, but that's just my lead foot, though. But anyways. I need to do a valve adjustment on it. It's got a little bit of lifter clatter there, especially when it idles down. You can definitely hear that. But it's also still cold yet too, because I just started it. So until it gets all the way warm, it goes away eventually. It just has to warm up, basically. My IAC idle air control valves. Need to bump that idle up just a little bit more. But right now I'm just playing with the throttle body to get it to open up. But other than that, man, it's a great engine. I don't have any problems with it. I drive it daily. Runs great. Now the idle air control valve's just making it idle a little lower, you know. But it'll pick back up here in a second. But other than that, man, I love this thing. It's a daily driver. I'm about to go drive it as soon as she warms up and go to the post office and do some stuff today. But other than that, you guys have a good day. There's my little Del Sol on air ride I'm going to be making a video about soon. I already got 90% of the build video done. I just have to finish the wiring part of it, and then I'll be hitting switches, picking up bitches. Yep, that's the way it be. Alright guys, you guys have a good day. It's beautiful out here. Have fun. Stay safe. G-swaps and stay humble.